Not lie. Remember saying that a two cokehead we see Didi a lick down a foreign. Remember saying Didi still we shouldn't have body. Remember Didi tax. Yes. A Didi work that So tell me something now. If Didi is your friend and Didi sell all her mouth for half an hour. Sure.
It's a second animal aims back with a life for Shebada. Mr. Guys, one epa pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye y'all.
Then all of them taller than them living condition. Then why we that thing say you would send the boy the money? We just want to ask you something. Tell me why you think we would have believe you. Like you is say we walk and kill this would we believe. I just want you to tell me. No, but it's not lie. Remember saying that a two cokehead we see Didi a lick down a foreign. Remember saying Didi still we shouldn't have body. Remember Didi tax. Yes. A Didi work that So tell me something now. If Didi is your friend and Didi sell all her mouth for half an hour, she rent out her short back for half an hour. And a little rental cheap, it's affordable, very affordable. A little rental, she rent out her short back for €200. And you know how long me that hear people are renting for 2 bills? And you say destiny your friend. You know say you know nobody and you want us to sit and believe so you never did that by Derval cocky. You desperate with your pum pum and Derval desperate with him bottom and body. Remember that a desperation around the court. A two desperate man that when you could have tricked the crowd, Markie, you could never trick me. Come see right through you that think me the ultrasound. I see right through you. For true. When I some careless batty boy, Derval could have never run up in my inbox and me entertain him. Number one, him spit too thick. Him spit too thick for me. Could have never entertain him. But the things them mama boss up make you run up and live with destiny. But always remember say a bottom destiny sell and rent out her throat. Destiny soon stop talking. Destiny soon stop talking. Destiny nature so gone from out of her throat. It's so quick she had to try to get out everything before expiry date come for her throat back. Destiny tongue so lifeless. You know see destiny motor type away. Destiny motor send how much but you want to go sleep. You know a catch you want to turn in early and you brave. All of the 40 the people them get up and make sure you have your fabrics because they might ease and squeeze in your sleep. Yeah, your little rest pop up. As soon as them get up, your fabrics the place and draw out the bed. Yeah. Back to Sister Markie. Yes, Sister Markie for sure. Remember, so no one live a life on the internet. Eh? Remember, the whole live a life on the internet. All I want to live a life on the internet. But you know, self-care is the best. Self-care that must be the best because no man know why you alone why you. I swear to my baby. Sometimes when you walk and run on the pum pum from when you in primary school, and them something reach. Remember a little bit and loud and some loud and popular girl. Remember not look fame. Yeah. Remember say I want to say relationship and showcase man. Remember not for compete with girls. Some man afraid I want to like poison. Somebody said, Ashley say hello beautiful. Go look for Jaden and Ashley and Audrey. Oh Audrey what happened? And don't call me beautiful. I'm beautiful on the inside. Say hello beautiful on the inside person. And too much that for your time? Deswin said Trump signed new law. Say Markie have to come home and she's the must stay, and Markie stay and she's and Ivan to come home. Tell us the law. I my pumpkin, you tell us me a scribble orange. Yeah. One little bit I'm bad pan on the body, so you got my baby, so you and Destiny sit down for the life. Then Markie come in. Why you would send devilish money and Destiny are your friend? And the one walk and buy things out of underpants. We don't know, so no walk and shop out of underpants. So why you want us to believe so you never send him the money? Remember to owe Destiny desperate a cokehead, me see she come in within the attic, you know. A cokehead in the attic and the 9 p.m. and 3 something another a.m. and the whole of the P and the A and the M and the E and the R and the O and the Q and the E. We don't want to hear that. We don't want to hear that. If somebody of his caliber and look you, there is no denial in it, because people from all walks of life, if you claim to say you look good, people from all walks of life are going to look you. But the thing will catch you. The man say mother take a batty boy money. Then more reason him have to say all of them something there. Him could have denied the whole thing and wait until they come out come talk. But you never come out come talk, you know, when him own up you, you know. You know, but when the people them start talking, not the people them me. Cause me I say Davel, me can't call her name in the people, Miss D. Me I say Miss D. Remember you have DD and Miss D. So me I say Miss D. So out of everybody on the internet and Miss D, and so comes right after my live, Markie go do live. Markie ashamed, and it's just the truth. But remember saying nobody never find you decent. You were always a loose cannon. So me don't know are them people nowadays who just get camera phone. I say, wow, I like this guy, he's so poised and posh. Go on here. If the boy look you, the boy look you. If you want a 1/6 of a Dabalisha, remember your pum pum careless. Remember your pum pum careless. Why you and Roger must always go like so to come off a good clock? Remember Roger used to run from one end of the hospital to the next end. Remember, you know the clot and leader. Always remember now. Come let you remember. So when I see my start the Louis Vuitton, and deserve it. Him deserve it. Cause flat and let them come from. That's why I want to make them fandangles their trick, you know. All the times. She be more want to go sleep. Then pull out the bed out of the settee, you know. Pull out the bed out of the settee. Tell the people them get up out of it. Put the phone on speaker, let me tell them for you. I tell you, it rough when you catch my baby. It rough when you catch. You work hard today. You are going early. Tell the people them get up. Tell them get up. Put the phone on speaker. Maybe tell them since you're afraid. Remember I catch you, I catch. Not say much. Cause I don't know where you come tell me say you want to sleep for. Eh? Me don't know why you come tell me say you want to sleep. Like you hear say me into night care. I'm your bedside nurse. Me supposed to burp you by you. Tell me. Tell me. If me supposed to burp her by you. Me just want to know. Me want to check your temperature. Oh, that you say. That you say. You still throw up all the name and shoes. Yeah. I don't want to take back that. I just want to gear that for yourself. Yeah. Yeah, so back to Markie. So I really want to comment them and people at that both say on my video, people at that both say Shebada Markie was on his live talking about the whole situation, so you will get the facts. The facts, they about the argument this. About the argument this. Baby girl, come in, let me talk to you privately. Come in, I want to talk to you publicly and shame your pum pum. Come in, nurse! I make cereal. I may drink it to say, and it'll get me high. Come here. You see batty people? I'm going to tell you about batty people. You see? Whether Derval, Baval, or Rabal, one message Markie Markland first, he entertained that individual to the core. It was a plus. But from Markie, see, Derval, reach out to him. Him should have known he's a dirty batty man, but because Markie is a dirty batty man too. Oh. Because Markie is a dirty batty man. The lengthy conversation to the point where you say, yeah, come at England. So how the link up did I go? Markie move your body, sell batty sell from your song where me and you know how it go. You're glad to get picked by Devalisha. Because I can't remember her name. Oh, Miss Dev. Me not cussing a Markie, but you too lie. You want nobody have you straight. The fact of the matter is, if he not madman look me, I go say people say my man there. Me don't know what do you know. Eh? The good, the bad, and the indifference I go look you. But really catch you through the man say money. Yeah, come and show a Facebook message. Who communicate on Facebook still? On our old people? On retire? Eh? I want to know who build relationship on Facebook now. Come in and somebody explain this to me. I told ageable folks them. I told ageable folks them. Me just want to know. Only can walk and trick the people who claim to say them not have no idea, no knowledge of what is going on. Eh? Only can walk and trick the people because no boy can start a relationship with me. Number one, for me reach out to pay a semi-LKJ, it's just a type way. Yeah? And you're going to tell me about, and Destiny, didn't I say this and didn't I say, Markie is just a careless girl. You're just a careless, dirty girl. You look like you sell a pum pum on the highway. It's just a careless girl, and the world as soon for who really be. I do not put up a facade. I do not pretend to be something that you guys are not. But the people in my soon you go for a thick spit, and then you reason with short rental. One you want short rental one beard. You and the lady we rent out her short back wanna bathe. The lady with the Airbnb in her mouth. Where's she there? The lady with the Airbnb in her short back. The one from Zurich. Yeah, come and explain. Yeah. Yeah, come and explain. But you know what here, Markie? If Derval look it's a plus for you, that means all madman why you. Why you can't say that? All madman why, but we can't understand how you promise him money for cocky. Then you no want him and you never promise him money, but you no want to link up with him. Go, what kind of interest you put having a Derval? Alright, you never send him the money, but what kind of interest you having at him? You know, say little pum pum lower than the gutter water, your little pum pum lower than spit, your little pum pum berry, down to dirt and trample your old because of it. What me do? What you mean I wanted? What me do? You know my blood finger this. Who wanted me? I dark my phone dark, I not tap up my lipstick, my lip red like my old, my lip red. When I can't see it, my lip red. My lip red, I'm a veneer when I'm a veneer chip. Yeah. Who needed me? What's for dinner, Shebby? Today, Monday. When you cook at your yard, big crutches, girl, roach a help you name and rat. Your food done in a jiffy. Your food done in a jiffy, you come and ask me, Shibby, what's for dinner? Move your big hole and go. When you, if you ever experience Thanksgiving, a whole heap of bacteria you have on them because they not stop give you warm up and call it leftovers. Move your dirty self, you come and ask me about what's for dinner. Like you don't know the shrubs, you must know the shrubs. So make me know if roach and rat help you nyam. That no one know, me no want know nothing else, I just that. But right, you come and ask me what's the dinner. Move from your side, yeah. Matter of fact, I not even like the drawers them way you wear, because them look like them come with the rash. Speaking of rash, the whole between my legs has to rash up. I mean, no, say me a virgin, nobody not come there. Me I wonder if a cologne catch me, you know, the whole around you saw, rash up, yeah. Yeah, me I put on some hydrocortisone on it. It rash up bad, you know, yeah. I mean, I plan for shave, you know, because I just might get lucky. I plan for shave out my underneath, because I like when my underneath smooth. Yeah, I like it. I plan for shave, but I go shave as soon as the hydrocortisone get down there, I just rush the shave. Yes, my love. Because I have my shaving soap on my spray pan me. Yeah. Somebody asked if my beard. Miranda, you lucky say you the want to suck out when I never tell you a while ago you the move from Mandeville. For true. I say porous who don't know you again. Miranda Coke, you lucky say you know my baby. I say Miranda. Miranda, look how I go for Christmas. Look how I go for Christmas, Miranda goods. Why me I tell you? Yeah, you're blessed, you know. As much as you're not Christmas, you're blessed. I'm my pumpkin. Me not pumpkin, my baby, me a nibble orange. You know what? Nibble orange, nibble and shrivel. Yeah. Yes. Use powder. I not use no powder, some of them smell bad. I not use no powder, I love me know if I use. I buy my things them. I don't want a big crutches girl tell me if I use powder. I saw you walk on powder, your man for holding. Move or you give your neighbor big foot. Yeah, it's so quick you jump up and tell me use powder. You're too outer and bright. Oh, use powder do what? Shave? A shave, you tell me use powder shave? I had to use powder after me shave. Use powder after me shave. Use the rubbings. Use the rubbings there.